Going to be my first game in KZN as a professional player because I left SA when I was 18. So I never played maybe in Mabhida, Zolitini as a professional. And it is going to be my first time that maybe my mom is going to be there to see me playing as well. So I think it's a good thing. I don't know, probably yes, but yeah, I think they will come, but I don't know, maybe it is a huge amount that is going to come, but probably I know some they will come. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. It is. They are happy. They are happy as well because they've never like seen me them as well playing professional. Yeah. So I think it is going to be their first time also or seeing me playing. Yeah, I think they must just come in numbers to support us because we need them. We need them to support us, to give us the boost, to win the games, to win this game because it is going to be a very important game for us. It's very, very, very important.